Alright guys, so I'm doing a quick review on this Enlightened roasted broad bean crisps. These are high in fiber, gluten-free. Check that out. Here's the side panel, and here's the back. If you guys want to read this, pause the video of course. And those are the ingredients. Alright, let's open this up and do a quick taste test. These are on sale, so bought a pack. Alright, that's what they look like. And these aren't your regular roasted broad beans, as you can see. They actually have a coating, so they actually coat it with the rice flour. As you can see right there. So I always have people asking for snack ideas, so this is a neat little snack idea. If I can get this open. Alright, so here it is, guys. All open. See, as you can see, there's a coating on them, so they're a little different. The flavor is actually really good. The barbecue flavor comes through really well. If I compare this to the sriracha flavor, they're pretty much very similar. The sriracha flavor just has a little bit, and it's not really hot at all, but there's a tiny little kick to it. It's this one, just think of it without the kick. So definitely check it out, guys. If you have any questions, comments, post them below, subscribe to the channel.